What if I tell you that one stone exists which doesn't just attract confidence, but rebuilds it from the inside, heals self-worth wounds you didn't even know you were carrying, and slowly trains your energy to expect joy instead of struggle? This is not motivational talk, this is Sunstone, and once you truly understand it, you will never see happiness, power, or self-belief the same way again. Sunstone is not a soft crystal. It is not gentle in the way rose quartz is gentle. Sunstone works like sunlight after a long emotional winter. It does not ask permission. It activates. For centuries, Sunstone has been connected to leadership, vitality, independence, and inner authority. Ancient cultures believed it carried the energy of the sun itself, life-giving, confidence-building, and truth-revealing. But modern crystal knowledge goes much deeper than myths. Sunstone doesn't just make you positive. It rewires how you relate to yourself. What Sunstone really is, beyond the pretty shine. Sunstone belongs to the feldspar family and contains natural inclusions that reflect light, creating that glowing, coppery shimmer. That shimmer is not just visual beauty. Energetically, it represents internal fire, dormant power waiting to be activated. This crystal works primarily with the solar plexus chakra, your confidence, willpower, personal identity. The sacral chakra, creativity, pleasure, emotional expression. When these centers are blocked, people don't feel sad. They feel small, indecisive, invisible, tired without reason. Sunstone targets exactly that state. The deep emotional work of Sunstone. Sunstone is brutally honest. If you have been overgiving, undervaluing yourself, afraid to take space, afraid to shine because it might offend others, Sunstone will bring that pattern to the surface. Not to hurt you but to end it. This crystal teaches one core lesson: you are allowed to take up space. It heals emotional dependency. It cuts cords of validation-seeking. It restores joy that was buried under people-pleasing. Many people report that after consistent Sunstone use, they stop explaining themselves unnecessarily. They stop apologizing for existing. Decisions become faster. Boundaries become natural. That's not coincidence. That's energetic realignment. Sunstone and confidence, the real truth. Sunstone does not give confidence. It removes what was suppressing it. Low confidence is rarely natural. It is learned. Sunstone dissolves fear of judgment, internalized shame, the habit of shrinking. This is why Sunstone is powerful for women who were taught to be quiet, agreeable, or self-sacrificing. It gently but firmly restores sovereignty over your own energy. You don't become aggressive, you become clear. Manifestation and Sunstone energy. Sunstone is a manifestation amplifier, but not in a fantasy way. It works by aligning belief plus action. If you desire abundance but subconsciously feel undeserving, manifestation stays blocked. Sunstone addresses that root belief. It helps you expect good outcomes. Take inspired action without fear. Feel worthy of success. That's why Sunstone is often recommended for entrepreneurs, creatives, performers, and anyone stepping into leadership roles. When your self-image shifts, reality follows. How Sunstone affects mood and mental energy. Sunstone carries a warm, uplifting frequency. Not hyper. Not artificial. Natural joy. It is extremely helpful for emotional heaviness, seasonal sadness, burnout, loss of motivation. Unlike calming stones that slow you down, Sunstone revitalizes. It reminds your nervous system what excitement feels like. People often describe it as feeling lighter for no reason. There is a reason. Your energy is remembering how to flow forward. How to work with Sunstone properly. Sunstone works best with intention and consistency. Wear it near your solar plexus or keep it close during the day. Meditate with it when you feel self-doubt rising. Speak affirmations while holding it, especially those related to worth, visibility, and success. Sunstone responds strongly to spoken intention. Your voice activates it. Cleanse it regularly, preferably with sunlight or sound. Avoid over-cleansing with water if the stone is polished. Who should use Sunstone, and who should be careful? Sunstone is ideal for people who feel stuck despite effort, Fear visibility. Struggle with self-trust. Are rebuilding confidence after emotional trauma. However, if someone is emotionally volatile or prone to impulsive behavior, Sunstone should be balanced with grounding stones. Its energy is activating, not sedating. Used consciously, it empowers. Used unconsciously, it still works, just faster than some people expect. Sunstone is not about becoming someone new. It is about returning to who you were before fear taught you to dim yourself. And once that inner sun rises, it doesn't ask permission to shine. Sunstone, advanced energy activation and daily use. Now that you understand what Sunstone does, let's go deeper into how it integrates into real life, not just spiritual theory. Sunstone does not work in isolation. It interacts with your habits, your mindset, and your emotional patterns every single day. When worn consistently, Sunstone starts changing how you respond before it changes what you receive. You may notice. You hesitate less before speaking. You stop overthinking simple decisions. You feel uncomfortable tolerating disrespect. You feel an inner push to choose yourself. This is Sunstone training your nervous system to feel safe in power. Sunstone and feminine energy balance. For women especially, Sunstone plays a unique role. It heals the distortion between softness and strength. It teaches that confidence does not cancel femininity. Sunstone strengthens self-respect without arrogance, emotional warmth without dependency, ambition without guilt. This is why many women feel a sudden desire to improve their appearance, routine, or goals after wearing Sunstone. It reconnects you with self-worth, not vanity. You don't chase attention anymore, you attract respect. Combining Sunstone with other crystals. Sunstone becomes even more powerful when paired correctly. With moonstone, balance between intuition and action. With citrine, strong abundance and career momentum. With tiger's eye, fearless decision-making and protection. With rose quartz, confidence rooted in self-love, not ego. But here is the truth most people ignore. Not every crystal combination suits every person. Your birth energy, emotional state, and current life phase matter. Wearing the wrong crystal is not dangerous, but it can feel ineffective, confusing, or emotionally heavy. Why crystal consultation matters. Crystals are tools, and tools work best when chosen consciously. A crystal that empowers one person may overstimulate another. A crystal that heals one phase may block growth in the next. This is why personal crystal consultation is important. During consultation, factors like your emotional patterns, your confidence level, your career or relationship phase, your energy sensitivity, are considered before recommending which crystal to wear, how to wear it, and for how long. This is not guesswork, this is energy alignment. How to wear Sunstone correctly. Sunstone should be worn with intention, not as decoration. Best ways. As a bracelet on the dominant hand for confidence and action. As a pendant near the solar plexus for self-worth and leadership. Carried during important meetings or creative work. Avoid wearing Sunstone when you feel extremely angry or restless. Let the emotion settle first. Sunstone amplifies clarity, not chaos. Signs Sunstone is working. Sunstone does not always work quietly. Common signs include emotional release without clear reason, sudden clarity about people or situations, desire to set boundaries, increased motivation and optimism. These are not side effects, these are corrections. A powerful truth about crystals. Crystals do not create magic, they activate truth. If you are ready to grow, they support you. If you are resisting change, they challenge you. Sunstone belongs to the category of crystals that refuse stagnation. It will not let you stay small. If you are confused about which crystal you should wear, whether Sunstone suits your energy, how to combine crystals safely, or how long you should wear a specific stone, you can take personal crystal wearing consultation. The consultation contact details, Gmail ID or phone number, are mentioned clearly in the video description. Please reach out only if you are genuinely ready to work on yourself, because crystals respond best to sincerity. Remember this. Confidence is not something you build. It is something you allow. Sunstone doesn't give you light. It removes everything that told you to hide it. And when your inner sun finally rises, the world adjusts automatically.